What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here. We are going to do a short video today on how to find keywords based on short-term trends for Kindle self-publishing. I always tend to ramble, so I will keep this video short, try to do under 10 minutes. Let's go straight to it, no filler. Okay, so how to find hot keywords that are based on short-term trends. The reason why I'm making this video today is because I've released in my course, the Elite Keyword Mastermind, keyword number 3, which is based on a keyword for something that is based on a new release. If you think about what time it is this month and what's being released this weekend, you can probably figure out what the keyword is. So with that, I'll give some hints on how to find this keyword. You can probably find it with 3 or maybe even all of these methods. So first one's kind of obvious, and I've mentioned this before. It's to utilize Google Trends. So you can simply go to trends.google.com, learn how to use that to find keywords for different subtopics going on in the world, whether it's business, technology, sports, whatever's going on with celebrities. Who's cheating on who's divorcing who. You'll figure it out based on that. So that's a good idea. That's how I found some of my keywords too, starting out. So it works well. Along with also evaluating the popularity of a keyword over time. So like if you were to look at fidget spinners last year, it was all the rage in the spring and summer and even fall, and then it just died after that. So and the Google Trends will have a graph indicative of that sudden rise and fall, like Scarface, for that keyword. Another one, just as I mentioned, look at release dates of new technology and toys. Just in general to get ideas. So I'm not saying if you know that the release date of a PlayStation 4 is coming out that you should do anything related to the PlayStation 4. That's not what I mean. What you want to look at is maybe, ideas of, different consoles and what books are related to a console. Like maybe, I don't want to get into anything copyrighted, which is my next slide, but you want to be able to come up with ideas based on events that are happening. So whether it's a new phone coming out, new computer model, new iPad model, think of ideas, think of accessories that maybe need manuals or guides, or even for like toys, okay? So if a toy comes out like fidget spinners that are super popular, people will need to know tricks. If yo-yos ever get to be popular again, people want to have yo-yo tricks. If slime is really popular this year for kids to play with in schools, people will probably want like slime recipes and formulas, right? So that works. Along with that, I'm not saying that this is a prime strategy you should use, but it's something that will show you profitable keywords. And it's kind of funny, going to a Barnes and Noble store, the bookstore. Oftentimes, these bookstores will mostly only showcase profitable keywords. The problem is that for most of these keywords is that they have a heavy amount of competition with big box publishers dominating the space. However, what I can tell you, particularly in the technology section, is that there are keywords that are not saturated with competition on Amazon. And believe it or not, a couple of keywords in my course are based on titles I've seen in Barnes & Noble that didn't have a lot of competition, but were popular enough to be carried at a bookstore. So I don't want to give hints on what exact keywords those are. Go to the bookstore, get some ideas, see what's hot right now, and search from there. Do your homework, go on Amazon, and play around with some keywords. Next, pay attention to fads related to children's toys. Okay? Because kids love to read. Kids need to read. They need to learn how to read. Parents want to buy books for their kids to achieve all this. Now, what's a fun way to engage a child into reading is something that's related to their toys or related to whatever they're doing right now. That's the hot thing to do. So last year it was fidget spinners. Not sure what it is this year, But pay attention to fads related to children's toys, whether it's something that you can track, research, and identify over the internet, on YouTube videos. Maybe you have a kid. Ask your kid, hey, what's hot this year? What's going to be hot next year? Maybe they can give you insight and give you ideas for keywords. Because this all really boils down to coming up with good ideas and evaluating them on Amazon about their viability. But first, you need to have that funnel of ideas built up. So some precautions. Never publish keywords directly related to Amazon or Amazon products. So if you were thinking of like doing a guide for the Amazon Echo with all of the commands you can do for it, no. Amazon absolutely prohibits that, and your Kindle publishing account will get banned for any Amazon products you decide to create a book for. That includes Kindle publishing. If you want to write a book about self-publishing, that's fine, but it cannot be a book about Kindle self-publishing. No. Same with the Fire Stick, same with Amazon Prime, Amazon Fresh, whatever, just if it's Amazon, don't touch it. Just leave it alone. Likewise, do not use copyrighted images or logos from trademarked items for your book. So let's say you have a book on, I don't know. Let's make it up. Let's make it a little bit hypothetical. Let's say you have a book on the PlayStation 4, which is a horrible keyword because it's trademarked. Okay, if you want to get banned really quickly, you can just find Sony's copyrighted image of the PlayStation 4, slap it on to your book, and you will see a lawsuit pretty quick. So if you find something like related to a toy, let's say like fidget spinners, which I think is ethical because who owns the trademark on fidget spinners? It's just a freaking like top with like some, I don't even know how to describe it. It's such a piece of shit. But anyway, I don't think I could be sued for fidget spinners ever or given copyrighted notice on it unless I wrote a book based on a brand of it. But all I did was find a generic image of a fidget spinner and implement it in my book. I didn't take anyone's artwork or anyone's copyrighted trademark or property for my book cover or for the images thereof. So I was covered there. So that's all that I've got for now, guys. Promised that I wanted to keep this video short, so we're just going to do a quick upsell because I can. So with the keyword that I gave this month, it was keyword number 3. I give you 3 keywords every month in the Elite Keyword Mastermind, my course that is a done-for-you system, essentially on keyword research. I give you keywords to publish for that I know are profitable. All you have to do is create the book, rank, execute properly, and you'll make money. If you don't want to use all the keywords in the course, that's okay. I also give you my keyword research strategies in which I save you hours, days, sometimes even the weeks you're wasting time finding keywords for. I show you how to do it in minutes, sometimes even seconds. So it's awesome. And of course, you get exclusive access to the mastermind group. Done. Guys, I promised it would be a short video. I have done it this one time. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like. If you are a hater that is absolute dead broke, hit the dislike. It still helps my ranking for these videos. So it creates engagement. Dislike the video. I don't give a fuck. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Otherwise, I will see you later. Later.